Breaking news for seniors across the United States. Millions of Americans are about to receive their December 17th Social Security and SSDI payments, and there's a lot of confusion online about a $4,151 number you may have seen trending. But here's the truth. What this number really means, who actually qualifies, and how much you can expect to get are not being clearly explained anywhere else. If you're a senior on Social Security, SSDI, or even SSI, this is critical information you cannot afford to miss. It could directly impact your finances, your holiday plans, and how you prepare for early 2026. In this video, we're breaking everything down step by step, revealing the real payment amounts, the timing of deposits, common misconceptions, and what action you need to take right now to make sure you get every dollar you're entitled to. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the facts, clarity, and insider tips so you're fully prepared for December 17th and beyond. Let's dive in. First, let's take a closer look at the December 17th, 2025 payments. These follow the Social Security Administration's SSA standard birth date schedule for retirees, SSDI recipients, and survivors. This schedule determines the exact day of the month each beneficiary receives their payment based on their birth date, ensuring an organized and predictable system. It's important to note that SSI payments are handled separately and are typically distributed earlier in the month. So if you are an SSI recipient, your payment will not align with this December 17th date. Understanding this distinction helps seniors plan their finances accurately and avoid confusion about when funds will arrive. These December 17th payments represent the regular 2025 benefit amounts and do not include any special refunds, stimulus payments, or additional one-time bonuses. They are also issued before the January 2026 cost of living adjustment, COLA, of 2.8%, which will increase payments next year. So, any rumors suggesting that seniors will receive a massive $4,151 extra payment on December 17th are misleading. In reality, the maximum standard SSA payment for this group in 2025 is closer to $4,018, and the payment amount depends on your specific benefit type and history. Staying informed about these details ensures beneficiaries know exactly what to expect and can plan accordingly. Let's break down the $4,151 figure that has been trending online recently. Many seniors are seeing this number and assuming it represents a special Social Security payment or a retroactive stimulus, but that is not the case. This number actually comes from a House Ways and Means Committee projection for the average 2025 federal tax refunds, which are expected to be issued in early 2026. The projection shows an increase of roughly $1,000 from the previous average of $3,151, largely influenced by Trump's July 2025 tax cut bill. While it's understandable why this figure is generating excitement, it's important to clarify that it is not tied to the December 17th SSA payment, and seniors should not expect an extra payout on that specific date based on this projection. These projected tax refunds are completely separate from regular Social Security payments and follow different rules. Seniors, SSDI recipients, and other eligible filers must file their tax returns, typically starting in late January 2026, to receive their refund, and the amount varies depending on factors like income, taxes already paid, deductions, and overall eligibility. In contrast, the December 17th, 2025 payments are strictly for Social Security and SSDI recipients following the SSA's birth date payment schedule. SSI recipients, however, follow a different payment calendar and do not receive a payment on December 17th. Understanding this distinction helps seniors avoid confusion and plan their finances correctly, ensuring they know exactly when and how to expect their payments. Many seniors have been hearing the $4,151 figure online and assuming they are about to receive an extra unexpected payment, which is causing significant confusion. In reality, experts clarify that the December 17th payments from the Social Security Administration are routine, standard disbursements for retirement benefits and SSDI, strictly following the SSA's birth date schedule. There is no new stimulus or special refund associated with these payments. The $4,151 number that's circulating actually comes from projected average tax refunds for early 2026, calculated by the House Ways and Means Committee after the July 2025 tax cut bill, and is not a direct Social Security deposit. Seniors who hear about this figure may mistakenly believe it reflects an immediate bonus or extra cash from the SSA. But it is essential to distinguish routine SSA payments from IRS tax refunds, which will require filing and depend on individual income and eligibility. Understanding this distinction can help seniors avoid unnecessary worry or falling for misleading information. So, what exactly should seniors do to make sure they receive their December 17th Social Security and SSDI payments on time while avoiding any confusion or delays? The first step is to verify your SSA account. Log in to the official SSA portal or call the SSA hotline to double-check your benefit schedule and confirm the exact date and amount of your payment. Next, make sure your banking information is up to date. If you receive your benefits via direct deposit, confirm that your bank account number and routing details are correct. For those receiving paper checks, double-check that your mailing address is accurate and current so your payment isn't delayed or lost. Taking these simple steps can prevent unnecessary stress and ensure your funds arrive exactly when expected. Equally important is to understand the different types of payments you may receive. December 17th is designated for regular Social Security and SSDI payments, while SSI payments are issued on a separate schedule, usually earlier in the month. Meanwhile, projected tax refunds averaging around $4,151 are expected later in early 2026, but only for those who file a return, so don't confuse these with your December payment. Lastly, be vigilant to avoid scams. The SSA will never ask for your password, full Social Security number, or sensitive banking info via email or phone. Ignore social media claims about extra stimulus or bonus payments, as these are often misleading. By following these steps carefully, seniors can protect their payments, plan their finances effectively, and stay informed without falling for false information. And if you think that's all, stay tuned. We'll cover how to check if you are eligible for tax refunds that could be substantial for seniors in early 2026. Tax refund deep dive. Let's take a closer look at the numbers and what they really mean for seniors this year. The average projected tax refund for 2025 is $4,151, mainly due to Trump's July 2025 tax cut bill, which increased potential refunds by roughly $1,000 compared to the previous average of $3,151. It's important to understand that this number is only an estimate, and actual refunds will vary depending on each individual's income, deductions, prior tax payments, and eligibility for credits such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit. Seniors should not assume they will automatically receive this refund. Filing a proper tax return is required. Even some SSDI recipients may qualify for partial refunds if they meet IRS requirements. While Social Security and SSDI payments follow the SSA's December 17th schedule, these tax refunds are completely separate and will only begin arriving after filing returns, typically starting in late January 2026. Seniors should take this time to gather all necessary documents, review their 2025 income statements, and ensure any updates to banking information are completed so refunds can be deposited smoothly. Being proactive can save time, prevent delays, and avoid confusion when tax season officially starts. Anticipation and upcoming updates. December 17th marks the first significant milestone of the year for seniors who rely on Social Security and SSDI payments, as it is the scheduled date for regular end-of-year benefit disbursements. While this payment represents the routine 2025 amounts, it sets the stage for a major update starting in January 2026 when the 8% cost of living adjustment, COLA, will take effect. This COLA increase is applied automatically to monthly benefits for retirees, survivors, and SSDI recipients, ensuring that their income keeps pace with the rising cost of living, including essentials such as housing, utilities, groceries, and healthcare. For many seniors who live on fixed incomes, this adjustment is crucial as it helps maintain their purchasing power, prevents erosion of savings, and provides additional financial stability in the new year. The combination of the December 17th payment and the upcoming COLA adjustment underscores the importance of planning and awareness, allowing beneficiaries to better anticipate their income and budget effectively for 2026. In addition to the COLA increase, 2025 tax refunds will begin rolling out starting in late January. This means eligible seniors could see another boost to their finances early in the year, separate from regular SSA payments. Staying informed is critical. Subscribing to updates and activating notifications ensures you don't miss alerts about COLA changes, Medicare cost updates, and the tax refund schedule. Seniors who act now, double-checking accounts, updating personal info, and preparing tax documents will be fully ready to receive their payments without delays, keeping their finances stable and stress-free in the upcoming months. If this video helped you understand the December 17th Social Security and SSDI payments and cleared up the confusion around the $4,151 tax refund, don't wait. Subscribe now to stay updated on every important senior-related financial update, including Social Security changes, SSI alerts, SSDI notices, and upcoming tax information. Share this video immediately with your friends, family, or anyone you know who relies on Social Security or SSI SSDI. One share could save them from confusion, missed payments, or financial stress, helping them plan their finances confidently. Take action today. Check your SSA accounts, confirm your banking info, and mark your calendar for December 17th. These are routine SSA payments, not a special stimulus. And remember, tax refunds are separate but still very important. So stay proactive and ready. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay alert. Getting this information first could make a real difference in your financial planning this holiday season and into 2026. This video is for informational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or tax advice. Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and tax refund amounts vary depending on individual circumstances. Always verify information with official sources such as the Social Security Administration, SSA, and the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. The $4,151 figure mentioned is an average projected tax refund and may not reflect your specific situation. Viewers are responsible for checking eligibility, filing requirements, and account details themselves.